Joe's first car. Joe is 18 years old. Joe is 18 years old. Joe works at McDonald's. Joe works at McDonald's. Joe saves all his money. Joe saves all his money. Joe has $2,500 in the bank. Joe has $2,500 in the bank. He wants to buy a sports car. He wants to buy a sports car. Joe starts to look for a new car. Joe starts to look for a new car. Joe looks in the newspaper. Joe looks in the newspaper. Joe looks in magazines. Joe looks in magazines. Joe finds a car he likes. Joe finds a car he likes. Joe goes to see the car with his dad. Joe goes to see the car with his dad. He really likes it. He really likes it. Joe doesn't have enough money. Joe doesn't have enough money. Joe's dad tells him to keep saving his money. Joe's dad tells him to keep saving his money. Joe wants this car a lot. Joe wants this car a lot. Joe asks his dad to help him. Joe asks his dad to help him. Joe and his dad make a deal. Joe and his dad make a deal. Joe's dad will lend him the money. Joe's dad will lend him the money. Joe must work hard. Joe must work hard. He must pay the money back to his dad. He must pay the money back to his dad. Joe is very happy. Joe is very happy. Joe owns his first car. Joe owns his first car.